Hello everyone, welcome to Munira Shine Academy. In this video we will learn how to use the second standard identity, that is a minus b whole square. It says that a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. In the last video I explained how to use a plus b whole square, which said that it is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now since the sign has changed, it is minus here, so we have minus 2ab. That is a minute difference. Now applying this identity in the given equation, suppose we have 4p minus 3q whole square. Okay, comparing it with the given identity, that is a minus b whole square. First identify a and b here. So here a is equal to 4p and b is equals to 3q. Okay, so this is your a, 4p, and 3q is your b. Applying the given identity, it says a square. So a square means 4p square minus 2a into b. So a is 4p and b is 3q plus b square. So that is 3q whole square. We have put the values in the respective identity. Now solving it, 4 square is equal to 16. 16p square minus, multiplying the digits, 2 into 4, that is 8, and p 3q as it is, plus 3q whole square. So 3 square is 9q square. Now 16p square as it is, multiply 8 into 3. Since we have a minus sign, we will put minus sign here. 8 3s are 24 pq plus 9q square. So this is your final answer for the given expression 4p minus 3q whole square. That is 16p square minus 24pq plus 9q square. Now all the three terms here are unlike terms. So this is your final answer. Let us take more example. Suppose we have (6x square) 6x square minus 5y whole square. Identifying a and b here, a is equals to 6x square. Okay, this is your a. B is 5y. So we say b is equals to 5y. Now putting these values in the given identity, a square. So a is 6x square and whole square. Okay, so we have x square and then whole square, minus 2 into a, that is 6x, into b, that is 5y, plus b square. So b is 5y and whole square. Now solve this. 6 square is 36. X square to the power 2 means x square square. So 2 into 2 becomes 4. So this becomes x to the power 4 minus, multiplying all the digits, 5 6 are 30. 30 into 2 is 60. So this becomes 60 x y plus 5 square is 25 y square. So this is your final answer, 30x to the power 4 minus 60xy plus 25y square, using the second standard identity a minus b whole square. Now let us take few different type of questions. Suppose you are asked, let me write down the first identity also, that is a plus b whole square, which says a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, now if you are asked to solve 105 whole square using the identity, how we can do this. We know that 105 can be written as 100 plus 5 whole square. So now when we match 100 plus 5, this becomes 105, and 100 plus 5 whole square is same as a plus b whole square. So here we can say a is equals to 100, b is equals to 5. Putting in the values in the given identity, that is the first standard identity, we say this is equal to a square. So a square plus 2 a into b, here a is 100, b is 5, plus b square, so that is 5 square. Now 100 square is simple, we have 2 0 here, when squaring it becomes 4 zeros, so this becomes 10,000 plus 2 into 100 into 5, so 2 into 5 is 10, let us just write down 10 first, into 100, and 5 into 5 is 25. So 10,000 plus 10 into 100 is 1000 plus 25. Now we can add them up. So we say this becomes 10,000 plus 1025, which says this becomes 25011. So 11025 is your final answer for 105 whole square. This is the method where we actually calculate square of a given number using the identities. So it is said that without the actual calculations, find out the square of given number using the identity. Let us take one more example using the second identity. So suppose we have a number 95. They say 95 whole square. 95 square. Without the actual calculations, we will find out the value for 95 square. So we can write 95 as 100 minus 5, right? And the whole square. Now comparing this with the identity, this matches the second identity, this one. This is a minus b whole square, since we have a minus sign. Identify a and b here. Here a is equals to 100, b is equals to 5. Putting the values, a square minus, we have a minus sign, so minus 2ab. A is 100, b is 5, plus b square. Now solving them, 100 square is 10,000, minus 2 into 5, 10 into 100 is 1000, plus 25. Now here, instead of adding 1000, you have to subtract 1000. Okay, we can do a rough work also, or you can do them mentally. First we will add. So we say this is 10,000. Let us first say 10025 minus 1000. So adding the positive terms together. Now subtracting 1000 from this. So 25. This is like this, 1025 minus 1000. Now subtracting this, 5 minus 0, 5, 2 minus 0, 2, 0 minus 0, 0, and 10 minus 1 is 9. So your final answer is 9025. So this becomes 9025. So without actual calculations, we can say that 95 square is equal to 9025. This is your final answer. I hope this concept is very clear, how we can use the identities a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square to solve the given expressions. Thank you very much for watching.